Hello Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is May 2021 reading for you. Okay, monthly reading. Aquarius, now a lot of energy is going to be going into your 5th house. Okay, it's time to be creative, it's time to have fun, it's time to conceive, get pregnant, or it's if you have children, it's right time to spend time with them, play with them. And also if you're looking for some kind of starting a new creative project, it's an awesome time to do it. Okay, May 3rd Mercury is entering into Gemini, so you could have a lot of new ideas. You could be communicating with kids, with people. You could start something related to kid projects, or you could be teaching a lot of kids right now. Okay, you could be sharing your information with them on social media or anything like that. May 9th Venus is entering into Gemini, so you could be attracting potential partners right now. If you're free, if you're single, you can meet someone right now. Okay, especially if you're trying to start something together, or through social media networks, friends of friends, mutual friends, all these things can work out for you, Aquarius. And May 20th Sun is entering into Gemini. Okay, that is even more beautiful for starting some good projects, especially with respect to your creativity. Okay, you could have new ideas, you could start something new right now. Okay, and we have Saturn and Aquarius that is in your own sign, that's retrograding, so you have to be careful about your image, your reputation, your name. People can take advantage of it, or they can put you through the things that could damage it, so be careful during this period. And from May 29th, Mercury is turning retrograde in Gemini, so you could have problems with lovers. You could have one or two interests, and you don't know whom to commit to, and there could be easily third-party situations right now, Aquarius. So be careful of it. And May 11th, we have new moon in Taurus, and May 26th, we have full moon eclipse in Sagittarius. Okay, so there could be a lot of fear of commitments can come right now, or you could be feeling unstable, or there could be a lot of options to choose from, and you could be confused right now, Aquarius. So take care of your partners and try to be logical. At the same time, go with people that really feed your soul. Okay, do not fall for one night stands or rebounds, or friends turning into friends with benefits kinds of situations right now. It could easily come to you right now. Okay, Aquarius, I'm going to pull one energy card for May 2021, Aquarius. This is for Sun, Moon and Rising in Aquarius. Okay, let's see what's the energy for you. This can apply for the whole month. Okay, you have door to personal healing and happiness. Aries had this card, so you could be dealing with an Aries, or need not be. This is just about your own personal stuff. Okay, it's about your happiness. It's time to heal yourself. It's time to focus on you. Okay, it's because with a lot of planets in Saturn and Jupiter right now in Aquarius, it's time to focus on what your needs are. Okay, this month could be something related to that, Aquarius. So I'm going to pull a 9 card spread for you, okay, using my Light Seers Tarot here. There's reversals in this deck. Okay, we'll pull out the 9 card spread, and let's see what's the energy for you, Aquarius, for the month of May 2021. Sun, Moon and Rising in Aquarius. Sun, Moon and Rising in Aquarius. One more and we are done. Yeah, done. We have the Two of Cups reversed for you, Aquarius. Okay, Two of Cups, a partnership could have ended. 6 of Cups, 6 of Pentacles reversed, and the King of Wands reversed. Okay, this could be a Sag. Okay, you could be dealing with a Sag, a Leo or an Aries here. And 6 of Pentacles is no, now you're not giving to this person anymore. They are not giving to the situation anymore. It's a done deal. Okay, something was imbalanced here. Maybe you overgave, they overgave, and now they have taken their energy back, or you have taken the Star card. That is your first card here. Beautiful, your energy. The Chariot reversed. Okay, and the 3 of Pentacles reversed. Okay, beautiful. The Devil reversed. Wow, nice. And the 8 of Wands reversed. Beautiful. 7 of Swords here. Ace of Pentacles, Ace of Wands. Oh, beautiful. And then finally the High Priestess. Wow. Listen to your intuition, Aquarius. Okay, if you're trying to move on from something that was toxic, maybe someone could have been a player here, could have been a sex only relationship or a toxic relationship where you were overgiving to the situation, and finally you're done giving to this person. They could have cheated on you. Definitely, there could have been some secret third party here. Seven of Swords says Three of Pentacles with the High Priestess. This could have someone could have been at a distance and you didn't know about it. Maybe this was a casual encounter for you. Maybe you had sex only relationship, or this was a toxic relationship and they cheated on you. With the Ace of Pentacles, Ace of Wands and High Priestess, maybe you're using your intuition to move on. Maybe this was meant to be for you. Okay, this was something that was toxic, came to an end. Okay, this could have been manipulation, control, and ego. Okay, maybe this person could have been egotistic, and they could have been controlling you. And finally, you're done. You're trying to start new. Maybe you're not talking to this person. Silence. That is silent treatment. That's what I'm getting. You have gone. Maybe you have escaped out of this person. Maybe this was a narcissist or some kind of an energy where they tried to keep you stuck in this relationship or in this contract or something, and you moved away in secret. You did not tell them what you're going to do next, and you just secretly escaped out of it because you're ready to start something new somewhere else. That's the energy I'm getting for you, Aquarius. So let's see the Star card. Ace of Wands, beautiful. The Chariot, reversed. The Chariot reversed. King of Pentacles reversed. Okay. Three of Pentacles reversed. The Justice reversed. The Devil card reversed. Ace of Pentacles. Wow. Eight of Wands reversed. 10 of Cups. Seven of Swords. Judgment reversed. Beautiful. Ace of Pentacles. Wow. Aquarius. Beautiful. Ace of Cups. Ace of Wands. The Temperance. Beautiful. I think it's been a long term that I've got 10 of Swords on the High Priestess. Yes. With the Justice reversed, the Judgment reversed, and the 10 of Swords here. This is a third party situation that's done here. Okay, I think you found out the truth that this person was giving to you as well as to another person, and you're done with this thing. Okay, you're moving on to your 10 of Cups here. Okay, if there was a long distance connection that is meant to be for you, you're going towards it. Aquarius, it is destined to come. Okay, and maybe this person was holding on to you for dear life because they were jealous of you moving on to something new. This person knew that there was an opportunity at a distance for you. Maybe you found new love. You were trying to commit to this person, and this person was trying to hold you back from commitment. Okay, could have been a Capricorn here. Okay, or the Taurus. Okay, this person could have been afraid of you moving on to this person or to them, or could be a Sag also, because we have Temperance here. Temperance for me is more about a divine connection here. Okay, the divine connection on the Ace of Wands and the Ace of Wands with the Star here. This could be something that is aligned with your destiny. Okay, if you were holding on to someone or they were holding on to you because they didn't want you to go to this new energy, finally you're done, they are done, because there was something that was unfair to you. There was unfair treatment here, there was secret here. This person could have kept you in the dark, and they didn't want to move on to you because this person know that they cheated on you, they betrayed you, they betrayed your trust, and maybe you've got a new job, new love, and this person was jealous and they were trying to hold you back. I think finally you figured that out, and you are trying to heal yourself, move on from this person and go. With Ace of Wands, Ace of Pentacles and Ace of Cups on this line with the Temperance here, I don't think there's anything more divinely aligned than this for you, Aquarius. Okay, if it has been a harsh energy where you thought that maybe you're ready to stick to this person because out of compassion or pity or sympathy, you're done doing it. Okay, you do not want to be cheated on, you do not want to lie, you do not want this energy here. You're moving on. You know that God is giving you some good opportunity that is destined for you, and you're going to take this month here. Okay, beautiful energy for you, Aquarius. Okay, I love this reading. Best reading for you I had in a long time. Okay, so I hope this reading resonated with you. Thank you, Aquarius.